This is the conic section test review, and this is problem number 11. First of all, you should always decide what it is before you graph. This is a hyperbola. How did I decide it's a hyperbola? There's a minus right there. So you should always decide what it is before you even start listing stuff. The center. Make sure you do HK. The H is always with X. So you want the 1 first, then the -3. X value comes next to the X, Y values from the Y. So let's plot that. 1, -3. That's my center. My vertices. Remember, in a hyperbola, it's which one's positive. So my vertices are here with the Y because the Y is positive. You're going to go up 1 and down 1. Those are your vertices. Why am I moving 1? Well, the square root of 1 is just 1. And then I write those points down. -4. Now we need to do the co-vertices. Under the X is a 4. Square root of 4 is 2. So we go left 2 and right 2. Those are my co-vertices. And then we're going to write those numbers down. It's a hyperbola. So this is where we connect the vertices and the co-vertices with a dashed rectangle. And the reason the rectangle is important is then I have to connect the diagonals. So it's all about the diagonals. These are called asymptotes, and they are dashed as well. Asymptotes are lines that a curve approaches but never intersects. Okay, good so far. Now, hyperbola. So this means the curves are either both going up or going up and down or left to right. Because Y is first, Y is positive, you want to start from the vertices, and these curves are going to be going up and down. Notice I'm making them as close to the asymptotes as they can be. They're following that. For the foci, we're going to do a squared plus b squared, which is 1 plus 4. So c is plus or minus the square root of 5. Y is more important in this case. The curves are going up and down. So you're going to take your center and you write your center 1, -3, plus or minus the square root of 5. And you do that because the foci are going to lie right here inside the curve. So you need to add them to your y coordinate. And then you look. The square root of 5 is just a little bigger than 2. It's 2.236. So from the center, 1, 2, and then a little bit more. Always putting an F next to it. This one falls off the graph just a little bit. Put an F next to it.